Welcome to the Innovative Surface Solutions Knowledge Nugget of the Week. Bite-sized facts about de-icing and dust control. Innovative Surface Solutions, celebrating 35 years of keeping you safe from highways to driveways. Direct liquid application, or DLA, is the concept of applying de-icing liquids directly to the pavement without any solids. This method is gaining in usage, and it can reduce the need for salt applications, decreasing the sodium that's being introduced into the environment while keeping the road safe. DLA performed before the storm is known as anti-icing. The idea behind this is that by putting a bond breaker onto the road surface, the falling snow or ice cannot form a hard pack on the pavement. Studies show that anti-icing with DLA is up to 8 times more effective than traditional de-icing applications. If the snow does not have a way to bond to the pavement, it results in easier plowing without heavily de-icing the hard pack, saving time and money on added applications and return trips. Considerations for choosing a liquid for these practices: the de-icing liquids need to be thin enough to pass through the screens and filtration so not to clog the pumps or nozzles. The liquid of choice also needs to provide a melting capacity at your working temperatures capable of remaining effective as dilution occurs. As always, quality and knowledge in product choices can make all the difference. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to us at www.innovativecompany.com. While you're there, don't forget to sign up for a reminder on the next Knowledge Nugget of the Week.